Hello everyone, my name is Alif Mirbar and I would like to welcome you all to Data with Alif channel where you learn the data analysis from the beginning, from the scratch. I have already passed through all the lectures in the previous lessons, but today what I'm going to show you is a cleaning lecture. So in this lecture you will see how to use the upper, upper and the lower. Okay, so I'm going to teach you the main theme. I have a data set over here, the messy customer data set. I'm going to select over here and we have to wait for a while to open it so that you may understand how to work on a data set properly. Okay, so we have a data set. This is a messy data set and it looks not so clean. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select over here and make it perfect to see all the names are okay over here. Now, what I'm going to do is I have to look after all the names. See, this is a messy information, messy name. Here we have got a customer data set which is messy name, email, country, city, job title. And here you can check like John Doe is the uppercase letter with consisting with our uppercase letter. Alif Mir Bahar, my name, which is really, and I have not put it down, I've just made it. But this here, the Alif Mir Bahar, the name is Messi as well. So Sarah Khan, Michelle Smith. So you cannot read it properly, and if you do analysis on it, you cannot work on it properly because this is giving you the wrong idea, wrong name. So what we are going to do, we are going to use it and the first one, what do you think, what we should use the name if we use the upper. Okay, upper and put a tab and John Doe, and John Doe is already in uppercase later. So we are going to select over here. This is giving us the information like this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on a yellow highlighter so that we may understand that this one we have made some changes. So Alif Mir Bahar and Sarah Khan, so Mitchell Smith and Emily Davison, Rahimuddin, Angela White, David Brown, Lisa Jones, and Kevin Lee. Everything has been given in uppercase letter. Okay, if we put the lowercase letter, what will happen then? Okay, we put the lower, and if we select lower and select the text and go to down, so everything has been in a different format. So that we, as we know that okay, all the names will come with the uppercase letter and lowercase letter as well. So this is also not the actual information and we are trying to generate. So what we have to use in this case, and in this case, and we are going to use the proper function. So let's see what is going to happen. So John Doe is the right answer we have got here. Now we, if we select here, drag down, double click on it, and we get the accurate exam answer of it. Okay, so now what we are going to do with the email, email, as we know, email is email. Actually, here you can see that John Doe gmail.com and Alif at yahoo.com. So what we have to do, we have to change it in a proper way. So if we use the proper function over here, no, so we just need to write email. So email, in email, we are going to select over here, we are going to put on control B, so to make it block. So we just need to call the if we use a proper function, what will happen then? Okay, we just need to select the Gmail first, John Doe. So John Doe is not giving us the accurate information. If we select it, drag it to the down, and okay, it will give us the wrong information. And if we put it in the email option, then the email will not go to the John Doe. This will go to somewhere else. Okay, so okay, just kidding. Now I just need to use the lowercase. Okay, lower option. So select John Doe email and close it, and we can go easily to the drag it to the down, and we have got the email, accurate email information. Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to go to the another option, and we just need to select the country name, and we have to select insert, and here we are going to put on the country option. So we just need to write here the equal function we are going to use, and what we have to do, we want to make it in the properly, we have to write it properly. So what we have to do is we have to select proper function, and then we are going to select the first one, Bangladesh, and then make an enter. So the Bangladesh is written properly. So United States, United Kingdom, everything has been settled down in a proper way. So what we are going to do with the city option, we are going to insert here the CD. We just need to insert here in uppercase letters. And so what we are going to do is use the upper, and we are going to select the Dhaka and close the bracket, enter, and Dhaka is showing the information properly. Okay, so we can use it in anywhere for analysis. Now job title. So job title we are going to use, and as we all know that data analyst and software engineer, mixed of, yeah, yeah, uppercase lowercase, and this is the lowercase, this is uppercase lowercase, and mixed of use of an information will dissatisfy your data analysis capacity, and you cannot use keep the messy data like this. And so what you have to do is you have to use, in this case, I have to ask you a question before I go to job title. You just think and write it in the comment box, so that I may know that you are attentive in this lecture. And I'm just going to ask you, what should we use in this case, and in data analysis you have 15 seconds, and to answer it, you just write in the comment section below. So I'm going to start counting like 10 seconds. Yeah, you have got remaining, and 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, if you know if you think your answer is correct and your answer matches with my function that I'm putting over here, then you have got the right choice, and you have to make right in the comment section that I have made the right information. But the information here we just need to do, see the data analyst, then software engineer, marketing manager, financial analyst. Till the financial analyst everything was correct, and what we are going to do is with HR manager. So HR manager, we just need to make it clear, like we just need to write it down like, in our hand. HR manager. Okay. Beg your pardon, I have made a mistake. So this is a HR manager. So you can easily show it to your data analysis part, and if we remove the messy parts, and um, we cannot remove. So see, how would you how would we make this data set more clear? So if we delete this here, from here, it will give us a reference problem. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to select over here, copy it, and paste it over here, so that we may get it done in a proper way. But if we delete it, it will go automatically. So let's go back again. So let's how would we keep the names in a proper way? Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to copy this okay, and paste over here, from here, keep it number. Okay, values, keep in values. Okay, so once we do that, okay, if we delete it, okay, it will not make any problem in here. Okay, so let's delete it. uh, beg your pardon, let's delete it, delete this name section as well. So this is how what we are going to do is we are going to select over here, copy it, and paste in number values. Okay, and let's delete this part again, copy it and paste it over here. Okay, so paste the number value and delete this again, copy this, copy from here, paste the number value and delete from here. Okay, so now the last one is copy this number value and paste, uh, make a problem. Okay, copy and paste the number value. So the select over here, delete it, and we have got a nice clean and tidy information, tidy data set over here. If we select Control T, it will ask us where is the data for your table. Okay, my table has headers. Okay, put it head, okay, and make it more nice, clean and professional. Okay, it looks so professional, it looks so professional, and we just need to change the data in the data set information. Okay, so this is how you are going to work on different kind of data sets while it's messy.